Franklin is a very magical and special place, and I feel like our teachers and our staff do such a good job of setting the highest expectations for our kids, but then building in systems to help meet those expectations. Most of my students really struggle with academics for various reasons, right? Academics isn't always the reason why they struggle with academics, and so my job is to come in and walk alongside them and get them to where they need to be. So last year, the Math Motivator Foundation reached out to us and asked if we wanted to be a school that worked with Milliman in Seattle. We said yes, and then Milliman and their team started in the summertime, and then they've gone with us throughout this school year.
The Math Motivators program was originally started at the University of Connecticut, and it's been sponsored and organized for a long time now by the Actuarial Foundation. I look at the program at Franklin and I see a program that has real need. It's a program in a community that is predominantly low income, and we can give help to where help is needed most. Just about anybody can do math. Some people just don't believe they can, and so we really need to get our tutors in there to give people the extra boost they need, a boost of confidence, a boost of personal attention, to help them understand they can do this and can do it well.
Math in particular builds off of itself, right? So if you don't get Algebra 1, it's awfully hard to get to Algebra 2 or geometry or any of that kind of stuff. And so it's nice to be able to open that door and help them not just understand this, but to be able to understand the next level and the next level.
Early on, I remember a few students were definitely struggling with some of the very simple things at the beginning, and I wondered, like, can we catch up? And within a few weeks, it was obvious that they had the motivation to do it. They've been working hard in between our sessions, and now they're right at pace, I think, with their class. They're getting good scores on their quizzes.
In the beginning, we'll start off and it'll be something really basic that they're not quite getting, and then you kind of watch them every week get a little bit closer and a little bit closer, and then, oh my gosh, this is it. She was like, I cannot believe that I have not understood it until now.
The thing about kids is they learn so much better when they feel like they're safe. It's like the hierarchy of needs, and so if you get a new tutor every week, they don't learn as well. And when you have these adults who come in every week and they expect them and they know that they're coming, I think that it makes them feel like they're cared for.
They were a little shy at the beginning, I think, but I think there's something special about one-on-one and one-on-two tutoring where you're ready to learn something, you're right on the cusp of it, but that one-on-one attention can just help you see that last thing you needed to understand a new concept.
I was really worried because actuaries are very smart. I didn't know even what that job was, and so I wasn't sure if it was going to mesh with our kids. And when we had our summer program, our kids were like seeing the motivators coming in, and they were like, hey, it's good to see you. And I was like, okay, maybe this is going to be great. And so then going into the school year, all of these summer kids were like, everyone needs to do Math Motivators, and they were super excited about it.
I've really had a blessed life. I've been very lucky, very fortunate to have found a career here at Milliman, and it's something that I would like other people to have the opportunity to do if that's what they want to do. And remembering that mathematics is the queen of sciences, even if they don't decide to become actuaries, if they are proficient at math, that'll open up lots of avenues for different types of things that they can do.
We're trying to do what we can, in the words of the Milliman mission statement, about improving the health and financial well-being of people everywhere. That can apply to our clients, but more directly it applies to the broader population as well. And I think we all benefit in ways direct and indirect when we have a better educated society.